Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. Now this is just how to make moon water. It's very quick and simple to do. Moon water is often used in a lot of spiritual and new age practices, and it refers to the water being charged or infused with the moon's energy or the essence of the moon, right? So you're gonna have a crystal, some water, make sure it's drinking water, because you're going to be drinking from it every day, and a plastic bag, wrap, something to cover the glass with, okay? And you can also use a container, whichever you choose. Then you're going to take your crystal and place that into the water, and then you're going to put your plastic bag, wrap over it, and you're going to go and place this glass now place outside into the moonlight. You're going to leave it there overnight, right? Make sure the moon is waxing or full moon at the time you do this. And what this is going to do is going to help remove the stresses from your mind, body, okay, and your spirit, okay? And you can also use this water afterwards to purify yourself, purify your space. You can use it in rituals and spell work. You can use it for anything to do with protection or clearing negative energy, right? And that's all you need to do. Very quick, very simple, and you will see the changes in your life. Take a sip from this every single day, and you can repeat this process as much as you want. So when this glass is finished, you can do it again. You can wait for the next waxing moon, full moon, and do the same thing. Okay, so I hope that helps, and I'll see you on another video. Bye.